Today, Florida announced plans to become the first state in the country to end all vaccine mandates, including for school children.
This comes amid nationwide confusion over new and conflicting vaccine recommendations from different parts of the federal government. Lauren Brill has more on efforts from leaders here in New England to make sure vaccines are available to everyone.
Well, last month, public officials from multiple East Coast states met here in Providence to discuss vaccine recommendations. Governor Dan McKee says they'll continue to follow guidelines from doctors and professionals at the Rhode Island Department of Health. New vaccine guidelines at the federal level have state leaders taking charge. Governor Dan McKee was on 12 News at 4, weighing in on where Rhode Island stands.
Well, our Department of Health has already clarified that anybody over, I think it's 5 or 6 months old, we're recommending that vaccines be used, and especially on the COVID. So we're going to continue that policy, Kim. I don't see any reason to reverse that at all.
When it comes to the COVID-19 vaccine, Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. says you need to consult with a doctor first. The FDA recommended COVID vaccine should only be taken by Americans over 65 or with underlying health conditions. However, Governor McKee believes Rhode Islanders shouldn't be worried, and East Coast states are continuing to work together.
When we're going to follow the lead of the doctors and the professionals in that area, and our Rhode Island Department of Health leads the way.
Massachusetts Governor Maura Healey says her administration is taking action and working with other East Coast states to ensure vaccines remain available. When it comes to COVID boosters, Governor Healey says, quote, "At my direction, our Commissioner of Public Health issued an order on Friday to allow pharmacies to continue to provide COVID vaccines to Massachusetts residents." This comes as Florida officials announced Wednesday they plan to get rid of vaccine requirements, including those for students.
Today, I'm pleased to announce the establishment of the Florida MAHA Commission as a working group which will recommend state-level integration of these Make America Healthy principles. And those principles are, as I mentioned, individual medical freedom, informed consent, parent rights.
Meanwhile, more than 1,000 former and current Health and Human Services employees signed a letter today accusing Secretary Kennedy of spreading, quote, false health information and asking for his resignation. In Providence, Lauren Brill, 12 News.